In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Domino's account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how easy it is for you to set up an account on Domino's so you can start earning rewards with every order that you make. To do this, visit Domino's, and you can either do this through the web browser when you go to the website, as I'm demonstrating here, or through the mobile app, whatever you prefer. Now, once you arrive, choose the option to sign in or sign up, and at the top, you will be able to select Join Now. Once you click Join Now, you can now input your first name, last name, email address, mobile phone number, and then a password, allowing you to create your profile. After you do this, you will have access to special promotions, and you can see all of your past transactions, the coupons that you have, any ongoing events, promotions, and so on. Now, sadly for this video, I won't be able to show you the full process of signing up because it contains personal information, but after you are done with this, you will have the option to sign in with the username that you created plus the password. Like I said before, signing into your account allows you to see all of your past orders, the saved personal information, and it allows you to have quick checkout because as soon as you proceed, all of the details will already be there, filled automatically, including your address, your preferences, payment methods, and so on. It works on the website or the mobile app regardless of the region, and usually having an account means that you will earn points with every single order that you place, which in turn can be exchanged for even more coupons, items, and such. So I hope I was able to help you on setting up your account. If this video helped you set up your account on Domino's, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, your subscription would mean a lot. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.